Hi everyone, welcome to episode 1 of Own Less Wear More, my style guide to more fashion with less clothes. Now, minimal style is something I've been following for a few years and I love the ease of it. I love how simple it is to style stuff and I love how mentally and physically decluttering it is. And even though I've never been a fashion or a style blogger as such, I love fashion. I do post a lot of OOTDs, so thought why not share this. And in case you missed my introduction video, this is how it's going to work. Every week I'm going to choose an item or a combo that is very universal in nature, means that most people would have something like that or something similar to that, and style that in various different ways for various different occasions. And even the stuff that I used to style it will also be very universal in nature, so that you don't have to actually look for specific kind of things to come up with outfit ideas. And the lockdown is a really good time to start the series because no one can shop or go to malls, so it's a good time to go through this wardrobes and see what you need and what you don't need. Hopefully this will get many of you to declutter. I love decluttering. And what I really like about minimal style is that it suits mostly everyone and can be adapted depending upon your taste in fashion. It's just a matter of getting into the groove and learning how to make different outfits out of just the same few colors or combos or pieces of clothing. And in order to highlight that, every week I'm also going to ask a couple of other people from my Insta tribe to join me for the theme of that week. This week is Deepika and Udita. And basically how it worked was that they sent me pictures of the stuff that they have that fits into the theme. And we selected items that are most universal, means most people would have something like that, something similar to that. And then we discussed styling tips. I sent them some ideas and all. They shot it and you will see those photos also in the video ahead. So let's not waste any more time and get started. I've chosen a very classic combo for this week and it is white and denim. I absolutely love white and denim. It is one of my favorite combos and I think there are infinite possibilities to style with it. I obviously haven't done that many, but I've done enough to give you a good idea about how to style them. I actually wanted to do quite a few more, but they're kids and then they're chores and then they're buttons, like lots and lots of buttons to be washed. So here it is, starting with my style outfits for white and denim. White t-shirt, jeans, white sneakers and a backpack. Easy and simple. Not the tee, different shoes, add a matching headband and bag and it's a new outfit. Tuck in a corner, change to heels and maybe even add a clutch, which I by the way forgot to do, and you're ready for drinks with the girls. Lose the headband, add a big tote and you're ready for brunch. Smart casuals, easy peasy, just add a waistcoat or a throw or a jacket. Not that anyone's going to office anytime soon, but add a blazer, some comfy heels and tie your hair up and you're ready for work. Can never go wrong with a denim jacket. I've had mine since college by the way. It doesn't close in front anymore, but I still wear it like this. Next, I've done just a couple of looks with a white shirt because I am planning an entire episode on just how to style a white shirt. But this is just to give a fair idea on some very easy and basic ones. Shirt tucked in a little, sleeves folded up and skater shoes and you're good to go. Tie a knot, wear a colored headband and you've got a cute retro chic look going on. Next up is my friend and fellow blogger Deepika. Now Deepika actually does own a lot of clothes, but she tends to stick to those 10-15 items that she's very comfortable with. And this did take her out of her comfort zone a little bit, but she absolutely loved the looks. I'm so happy. And here are her looks that we styled with her white tops and denims.
Hi, when it comes to fashion and styling, I stick to the same set of clothes and keep repeating them over and over again. So Shubhrit recently spoke to me about minimal styling and I was like, okay, I anyway style very less because I stick to my same old clothes despite of having so many in my cupboard. So she's like, that's the idea all about, wherein we own less but style more. I was curious and I wanted to be a part of this series. So I hope you guys enjoy because I thoroughly enjoyed shooting each and every look, and thank you so much Shubhrit for making me a part of it.
White shoes and a sling bag, it's a classic combo. Same tee tucked in with strappy sandals and a necklace and you're set for party. Same top styled for work and for an outing. Styled again for a dinner out with friends or family. Same top and jeans but 3 completely different looks. Next up is Udita, and you know, most stuff looks really good on her, and she doesn't have an overflowing wardrobe either, but she feels styling is not her forte. And I'm hoping that this little exercise of styling multiple outfits with a few items of clothing has changed her mind about that. Here are her looks.
Styling one particular garment and multiple looks out of it. Now when she approached me, I was like, Shubhreet, you are approaching the wrong person, because honestly speaking, clothes do look good on me, but on the other side, if you would give me one piece and say that chalo Udita, isko style karo, that is the last thing I can do. But that is actually where Shubhreet came to my rescue, and I could just create one look out of it, but she helped me in creating 6 more different looks out of one particular piece. All of them turned out pretty neat, pretty chic, pretty classic.
Strappy heels, thick belt, long earrings equals wow. Set for work and post-work drinks. Casual day out and boho chic. Rocking it with sneakers, a small backpack and a bandana. I hope you liked that, and I hope you found it useful. There were some goof ups, there were some accessories that I forgot to add, some looks that I could not do, my makeup was melting, it was really hot, my baby started crying, etc, etc, etc. But I'm not a pro at this, however I am quite enjoying it, and I hope you liked it too. If you do happen to try any of the looks based on the video or inspired from the video, and if you load them on your stories or your posts, then please do tag me. I would love to see them. New stuff coming up next week, so please do tune in again. For now, thanks and bye bye.